Okay, also on the motors I've put this little plastic cover over it to stop the chain from lifting up out of the rubber bands, and also I have a plastic over the turning point as well. And the plastic I used was just out of a packet of old screws, and now that will definitely hold the chain in so the chain won't come out. So I'll turn it on and run it. So now the chain shouldn't come up. Okay, I'm going to show you how the cars go up the ramp now. Now, this one's a plastic car and it's got no wheel. I mean, it's got wheels, but the wheels don't turn. But the thing is, it's plastic and it's light. So I'm going to show you what happens. I'll just go slow. And then up the ramp it goes. But don't forget, it's got no wheels. So that was what you could call a success, but still it's got no wheels or turning wheels. Okay, I'm going to do another one up the ramp. This time this one's plastic with turning wheels. And as you can see, that works pretty good. Okay, now my die cast Lamborghini with wheels. And as you see, she can't go up the ramp because she's just that touch too heavy. So your plastic ones are okay, which is fine, but it would be nice to get me die cast cars to go up. Okay, now to try and make this ramp work a bit better, I decided to do a timber one, which I'm going to make into like it's a concrete inbuilt ramp. So I've roughly got the height right. Now all I've got to do is I'm going to router the groove again, and then that should work, because I'll just put like photo paper in, which is about 180 GSM thickness, which is very thin. So I'll go ahead and router that piece of timber. Okay, I've cut me timber now on my ramp, and I've routed down the centre. Now this will obviously go like so. after I move this ramp. So I'm going to take the ramp out and the top level again and redo it with the timber one. Okay, now that's the old ramp and that's going to be the new ramp, but I won't glue it down yet until I absolutely sure it's going to work. But also I'm going to replace the foam one at the output end with a timber one again. So I'll finish doing the ramp at the other end, then I'll be able to put the chain in and see if it's better. Okay, I've got the other ramp in now and I've glued it in, so it's just drying, and I'm going to glue this one in as well. And then feed the chain. I've been feeding the chain through again, which I've got back up to there, so I'm just going to join it all up. Okay, I've got my Lamborghini now. Now I'm also still using 0.5 styrene. We'll see if she can make it up. And voila! She has made it up. So I'll try another die cast car. Okay, now my die cast Porsche. We'll see if she makes it up. Okay, she made it up, but what she actually done, if I take this off, if you can see right where my finger is, I've got a bit of plastic that the door is protruding out, so that's what it's hitting. So I'm going to trim that plastic and then the Porsche should be able to go up. Okay, we'll take 2 on the Porsche going up. And in she goes. So I'm pretty happy that my die cast cars go up now, but I'm still gonna, before I lay it all down, I'm still gonna make sure that whether this 0.5 styrene is still okay. So I'll do some practice runs and see how she goes, but at least the die cast cars can go up. So thanks for watching.